Welcome back to Motor Masters, the channel where power meets precision, and where we explore the mightiest machines that dominate the battlefield. From tanks to helicopters, missiles to drones, we dive deep into the tech, tactics, and toughness of the world's most powerful vehicles. Be sure to subscribe and join the Motor Masters crew, because this is where metal roars and legends roll. Today, we take a close look at one of Russia's most formidable main battle tanks, the T-80BVM. The T-80BVM is the most advanced and modernized version of the legendary T-80 series, a family of tanks that first appeared in the late 1970s. What makes the T-80 line unique is its use of a gas turbine engine, similar to what you'd find in a jet aircraft, giving it explosive acceleration, high top speeds, and remarkable mobility, especially in cold weather environments. The T-80BVM takes this classic foundation and upgrades it for the 21st century battlefield. At its core, the T-80BVM is a product of Russian tank doctrine, which prioritizes mobility, firepower, and the ability to operate effectively in challenging terrain, including snow-covered landscapes and harsh winters. That's why the T-80s are often deployed in northern regions of Russia, where the freezing temperatures can disable diesel-powered vehicles. The gas turbine engine in the T-80BVM not only thrives in the cold, but also gives it a top speed of 70 kilometers per hour on roads and nearly 50 off-road, making it one of the fastest tanks in Russia's arsenal. But speed is only part of the package. The T-80BVM packs a serious punch. Its primary weapon is a 125mm 2A46 M4 smoothbore gun, capable of firing a variety of rounds, including high-explosive anti-tank, heat, armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot, APFSDS, and high-explosive fragmentation rounds. It can also fire the 9M119 reflex anti-tank guided missile through the barrel, allowing it to strike enemy vehicles and even helicopters at ranges of up to 5 kilometers. That gives the BVM not just close combat muscle, but long-range precision as well. The fire control system has been significantly upgraded in the BVM version. The gunner and commander both benefit from modern thermal sights, stabilized optics, and an improved ballistic computer. This allows for faster target acquisition and better accuracy day or night in all weather conditions. The commander also has a panoramic sight with independent targeting capability, a key feature in modern armored warfare known as hunter-killer functionality. Secondary armament includes a coaxial 7.62mm PKT machine gun and a 12.7mm NSVT heavy machine gun mounted on the roof, giving the crew options for engaging both infantry and low-flying aircraft or drones. One of the biggest leaps in the T-80BVM is its armor and protection systems. The tank is fitted with Relikt explosive reactive armor, a next-generation upgrade from the Contact 5 armor found on older Russian tanks. Relikt provides better protection against tandem warheads and kinetic energy projectiles. The BVM also includes cage armor around the engine deck and other vulnerable areas to reduce the effectiveness of RPGs and loitering munitions. In terms of active protection, the T-80BVM includes an advanced smoke grenade discharging system that can obscure the tank from laser-guided munitions and thermal targeting systems. While it doesn't yet feature a hard-kill active protection system like Afghanistan or Arena M, there are indications that future upgrades may incorporate such technologies. The tank's crew consists of 3: commander, gunner, and driver. Thanks to the auto-loader system, there's no need for a human loader, allowing for a smaller turret and reduced crew size. This has been a hallmark of Soviet and Russian tank designs for decades. The autoloader on the T-80BVM holds 28 rounds in a carousel below the turret and can load in about 7 to 8 seconds. While its internal layout is compact, Russian crews are trained to operate efficiently in tight quarters. That said, the design does have a known vulnerability. If the turret is penetrated and the autoloader's ammo carousel is hit, it can result in catastrophic explosions. This vulnerability has been observed in many modern conflicts and is something Russia has tried to mitigate through improved armor and ammunition handling procedures. The T-80BVM entered service with the Russian Armed Forces around 2017 and has been gradually replacing older T-80 and T-72 variants. It saw action in Syria during Russia's operations there and has been used in recent conflicts, including the war in Ukraine. In those environments, the BVM's strengths and weaknesses have both been tested, with reports of high mobility and firepower effectiveness, but also challenges when facing modern Western anti-tank weapons and drones. Despite these challenges, the T-80BVM represents an important evolution in Russian armored warfare. It's faster than the T-90, better protected than earlier T-80s, and well-suited for rapid response roles or operations in difficult terrain. In a high-intensity battlefield, speed and firepower can be the difference between victory and defeat, and the T-80BVM is built to deliver both. It's important to remember that no tank is perfect. The BVM isn't a next-generation platform like the T-14 Armada, and it lacks some of the digital and active protection systems found in Western tanks like the Leopard 2A7 or M1 Abrams SEPV3. But what the T-80BVM offers is a solid balance of mobility, firepower, and protection, all within a platform that's proven, upgradable, and built for the realities of modern warfare. So whether you're a tank enthusiast, a defense analyst, or just love machines that can dominate a battlefield, the T-80BVM is a fascinating example of Cold War legacy meeting modern innovation. It's fast, it's dangerous, and it's very much alive on today's front lines. Thanks for riding with us on Motor Masters, where steel meets strategy and machines make history. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the T-80BVM, smash that like button and let us know in the comments which vehicle you want us to cover next. Whether it's airborne, armored, or underwater, we've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications because at Motor Masters, we don't just admire machines, we live for them.